So with that, we come to the end of this course. I hope this helped you at least to know what are the available kubectl commands and its purposes and its uses in the real time. So definitely there is a lot more to explore. If you see from the DevOps point of view, you have to know many things. Uh, you will see. I suggest to go with the regular course for the complete DevOps. Kube-c-tl commands is just part of it. You have to explore other areas like after this you can maybe try with Helm chart, what is Helm charts and all those stuffs. If possible, I will try to bring the same in this forum. Similarly, you have to explore the CI/CD operations, how this can be deployed. Currently we are doing everything via commands, but usually that's not possible for many microservices, especially when the organization they'll have multiple environments. So we'll go for the automation CI/CD pipelines. That could be Azure DevOps pipelines, Jenkins pipelines, or GitLabs or GitHub Actions. There are many options over there. That also you should get familiar. That's it from my side. This is Srinath signing off from you all. Please leave the feedback that helps me in improving and gives me some motivation. Thank you. All the best.